This is where the breezeway is going to go. All the yellow is getting stucco, and that's getting siding, hardy board. So let's go to the front door. Kitchen table's gonna go right here. That's the garage through there. It's gonna be an island here and fridge and all of that. So here's the kitchen. A nice view out here. I'm gonna take that tree. You can see the scorch mark on that tree from the old house. You can see they're getting ready to pour the footings for the deck. So a big island here. And then that's where the atrium is going to go. Skylights up there. I'm gonna walk down to my bedroom. A nice little fireplace here, and that's all gonna be tiled in, and you can see Sonoma Mountain over there, across Bennett Valley. Be a courtyard out here. Here's the laundry. And then this is my bedroom. Oh, you can see the fog just touching the top of Sonoma Mountain over there. They're hoping to get the roof on tomorrow. There's just plastic. And there's my deck. And then this is actually where my bed is going to go. So that's my view out of my bedroom, my bathroom in there, and closet. Little storage here for the laundry. Powder room. There's my shower. Oh, look at this. There's actually all the plumbing's in, but this is my view from my shower. Probably can't see Sonoma. Oh, there you go, Sonoma Mountain over there. The fog is just licking the top of it. Okay, so let's go down to Lauren and Chris's room. Here's the living room. There's going to be a bench here. Back to the kitchen. Here by default, I believe, is Chris's room. Nice big sliding door, and then a bathroom back here. Looks like they're getting all the wiring done. And then this is Lauren's room back here. She'll have a nice sliding door and deck. So that's it, folks. There it is. Looks like the sun has come out on Sonoma Mountain. You can see it here. That's too bright. Sun's going down, fog's rolling in. Okay, I'll give you an update once the windows and the roof is on. Here's the front door.